In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tracking URLs in HubSpot. Tracking URLs are a crucial component in digital marketing, providing insights on how different traffic sources are performing and helping you optimize your marketing strategy. So, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the HubSpot settings. This is the main hub where you'll find tools to manage all aspects of your account, including tracking. To do this, once you've logged into HubSpot, look at the top right corner of your dashboard. There, you should see the Settings icon. It's typically in the form of a gear or wrench icon. Clicking this will take you to the configuration area of your HubSpot account where all the backend magic happens. Once you're inside the settings area, direct your attention to the options on the left side of your screen. You want to find and click on Tracking Code. This is where you can manage your tracking specifics. The screen that follows will show various tracking options available to you. This is an important area in HubSpot because it allows you to tailor and create URLs that will specifically track the movement of traffic across different channels. Your next step is to enter the URL you intend to track. You'll need to have the destination URL ready. This is the link you want to direct your audiences to while collecting data on their source. Take your time to make sure the URL is accurate. This is a critical step. Getting the URL wrong means you won't gather the right data, and the insights you hope to achieve could be inaccurate. Enter the URL in the designated field you see on your screen. After you've entered the URL, it's vital to ensure its validity. Mistyped URLs or inactive links are a common hiccup that can be easily avoided. So now you'll want to click on Validate URL. This function will check to make sure the link is active and correct before proceeding. Watching for this validation process plays an essential role in preventing errors in tracking. You'll notice if everything checks out, the system will confirm the URL is ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a tracking URL in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be able to track the performance of your marketing campaigns with precision. This will furnish you with actionable insights and metrics that can help optimize your future campaigns. Now, it's your turn to go ahead and create those tracking URLs and start fine-tuning your marketing funnel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let us know in the comments if you have any questions or tips you'd like to share.